All right, folks, we should be live. YouTube should be live, Discord should be live, Twitter should be live. All right, folks, we should be. Sorry. Okay. Market about to open in a minute. All right, market is 404 right now, opened up 404. My price of control area is right there. Right there, that's your 404. Okay, that is resistance. Interesting. Okay. Market got a resistance right there at the price of control area. All right, that's the indication. They want to dump right now. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Ticks are still going down slowly. Price of control area controlling right there. Folks, disclaimer, this video audio is for education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice, nor I recommend to buy or sell any sort of stocks or investment. For your financial advice, please consult with your professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. Also, make sure you do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade. It could be very risky, folks. You could lose your entire portfolio. Your homework is must needed. Price of control area is controlling the price right there at 403 right now. Okay, nice. All right, they do not want price to go down. Okay, remember that. Yes. Let us see now. Right, so what's cooking out here? Google is dumping. Apple is still holding the price up there. Tesla is all right, holding there. Okay. Bank of America is flying high. Bank of America is financial sector. Monies are, oh man, Microsoft is like boom since morning. Apple. I think I want to watch another 30 minutes, see what the agenda is. Price of control area market leaves or stays around. If it is, leaves the station, then all right. But if it just stay around there, it's the same thing they're gonna do like yesterday, burn out people premium. Right. Need to find out the agenda around here. Good morning, YouTube. Yep. Good morning, everybody. And please hit the like button, folks. Thank you. So what do you see right now here, folks? The price of control area is your resistance right now. But we did not leave the station yet. VWAP broke just now. Market view broke the VWAP. But remember, folks, ticks still holding up there. So if ticks dump, then we could go lower. After the ticks normal out, be careful. That time could be a reversal. Once the ticks normal out, zero. Yes. Yes. Market always try to go back and forth. Look at that. See that? Look at the power. 3 candle, 3 minute, and 1 candle. Yeah. Okay, Tesla dumping, QQQ dumping, Google is dumping, Apple is dumping, Microsoft is dumping, Meta is dumping, but not dump, okay folks, it's just a little. Square is going up, Baba going up, EMD holding the price, Baidu try to go up. Okay. Still ticks are not leveled out. ticks are 1000 positive right now. Well, we did not even touch the zero yet. Okay, pressure is downward. Market might over here. Oh, let me see what's going on here. There is a little demand zone area right here, and then market might bounce. Yeah, a lot more game goes through, man. Look at that. These people, man, this is garbage. Put premium just dropped. Even the price going down, put premium just dropped, folks. Okay, it's interesting. Something I unusual activity notice on options. Yes, they dropped $1 on a put. Even though candle become red, put dropped. Yes, pathetic. This is agenda, man. This is daylight robbery people are doing. Yes. Man, this is yeah, folks. Man, these are like
the data is so high on the options right now.
man, these people are yeah, look at the ticks are controlled very well controlled. Bull cycle starting now. Yeah. Wow, interesting. Okay, premium game going on, folks. Let's see what happens here.
Hey Josh, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
On the 5 minutes, I see a big divergence from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Will pre-market count?
No, I do not look at that too much, because pre-market agenda driven, we would not know real technicals on that one, because it's not the real. I like to prefer more like a market open. Otherwise, people can use that technical as a pre-market. So it's a 50-50 risky. I would trust more on when market opens up and creates the swings, resistance and support. Those are more valuable than pre-market one.
Gotcha.
So right now you can see this M pattern, right? But still M is coming from here. So the certain data you can calculate from the pre-market right here, right? So sometimes you calculate, sometimes not. It's like that. Hit or miss. Pre-market is hit or miss. Market going down, that means their agenda is to go up in a little bit. Probably they're gonna swing. Yes, chances are there. That's what they do normally. Whatever they're showing in the morning, it could be exact opposite later. Just thinking, still ticks are not leveled up, so I'm gonna wait. Ticks are still holding. Here we go. Tick field is not level yet. Okay, so Google is compressing right there. Everything is in a compression right now. Right there, every stock. So something is cooking. What it is, Airbnb. Look at the Baba, look at the Square. They all are like flying to the roof. Square. Yeah, Square is going to the roof. Man, Square looking good. Look at the power. Filling up the gap. Gap up and go, gap up and go. That's what Square is doing. Gap up and go to finish the gap. Yeah. Here we go. Price of control area. Okay. Squeeze built in. Ticks are, look at that, ticks are not doing anything, price is going up. Yep, ticks not doing anything, but the price is going up. Okay, now ticks going up, down, but the price is not. Wow. Yep. That's bullish. All right, look at that, ticks gap down. All right, we just meet the zero. Ticks pretty much just meet the zero now. Now the plain field levels. This is a demand zone. Microsoft is dumping, Bank of America is dumping, Square is not. It's bullish. Green, red, green, red, green, red, right there. All right. This support area to watch right there, and then baby boom, boom, boom. $13. Yep, that's the bounce coming in, folks, here. Ticks are still positive. So that means they're gonna break this demand zone, folks. Looks like they want to break the demand. If that's too early, they might bounce. MACD crossing now. Now ticks are, see, that's your demand zone. That's your demand zone. I bought my put here, right? I'm here and I'm losing money. I bought my put here and I'm here and have a whole day to market to go. Still I'm losing money. Can you believe it? Right at the top I bought put and still losing money. Yep. That's why morning premiums are dirty games. Gotta be careful. Dirty games. Can you believe these people, man? Alright, so that's your demands area right now. Market is testing. Maybe market gonna create a wedge. Gonna bounce. Burn out the premium. Here we go. Agenda driven. Yep, right there. Apple is bouncing. Microsoft is also bouncing. Alright, market trying to break the sloping resistance. Right here, wants to go. Next supply up here. There's a bullish cycle going on right now. In between the cloud, if you can see, the horizontal clouds are laying out. So 3-4 candle green, 3-4 candle red, like that going on. You see that cycle? Slowly cycle becoming bigger. Around 3-4 candle cycles. Still watching, see what exactly market's doing. Market also knows that a lot of retailers are bearish probably, so they can hold it. Normally lately I noticed all the agenda are getting played in the late evening. Until then, premium burning game. That's what they're normally doing it. So we need to watch out, see what the agenda is, need to find out.
They're getting greedy, Josh.
Yes, absolutely. They know that we are getting excited. Market opens up buying calls and puts, but they don't move much, right? So that's why those who preserve their ammunition in the last minute. If event is happening, then yes. If it is not happening, then nope. So right now you can see cycles are 2, 2, 3, 3 candles, 3 candle, 4 candle cycles are. So that means premium burning, and I just give you example. I bought a put right at the top, right, and went here, and I was in a loss. Yes. So, and the whole day I have a 0 DT. I have the whole day left to close, right? So that's why Okay, market wants to go. Boom, boom. That's your supply zone right there. Oh, look at that. What was that? Market wants to go higher. They want to go fast up there. Yep. Here we go. Market wants to boom, boom, boom. Heading to 407. 40. Right here.
Is that big scary, Josh, about the body?
Right now, this is the green one, so nothing to be worried. It's just the supply area here. So we need so normally market when hit the supply, they want to make sure the power they got to put it in. So all the sell order comes in here. They eats up all the sell order and like that. But we have a supply here to watch. Look at the volume coming in, the bullish volume. You can see right here. So that's why the bull cycle. I would not go anywhere, man. Just watch out this, because agenda is not clear out here. We need to break the floor. We need to go to break the resistance, one of them. Two, 3 cycle green red. Look at this. Premiums are not moving. Just to let you know, candles are moving, but the premiums are not. This move to this move, you get like a 60-80 cents dollar max. Yes.
Yeah, that green wick scared me, so I didn't go.
Yeah.
I went and couldn't book, so.
Is that Bruno?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning. What's Tesla looking like? You checked Tesla out yet?
I was looking at Tesla, Netflix, and Amazon this morning, but nothing good, so. Netflix had a good fake out this morning, actually. It was really fun to watch.
Yeah. They brought the IVs so low you cannot imagine, man. Normally SPX IVs are like 33%, right? Today is right now 20%, folks. Okay, just to let you know. They brought the IV ridiculously low. That's why premiums are not moving. And they put the Vega solid. But the IV doesn't do anything. What the Vega gonna do? Nothing. Anyway, man, these people are like crooked, man. Yeah, look at the ticks are now. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Now look at it, how much market did break this demand zone. Right, that's your next. Look folks, I bought it here, we are here, right? I only got a 20-cent profit, didn't book yet. 20 cent folks here to here, just to give you idea, so you have to understand how these games getting played. It's recorded this video so you can understand all these things when I teach you in the class. A lot more games, man. Look, this much move, and I have a whole day to go to hold my there's nothing running away. But man, these people control all the moves.
I've got a nice up there. Made some of the loss back from last one.
I wonder if they're gonna fill the gap at the bottom.
Yeah, that's true. They're gonna show like that and then make a U-turn somewhere. I don't know. Let's see right here. I'm thinking until here they should come, and then they're gonna do that. They're gonna make people feel like their market is going down. That's why they brought the IV way low.
Can you check the floor?
Yo, let's do that. And their website is sloppy. Just a second. Nvidia bullish, AMD bullish. And let me see the SPY. SPY puts coming in, but yeah, right here. There's a demand, another demand zone. Market is battling. Ticks are right. Now that's your resistance. Here we go. Ticks are positive. Yeah, look at the tick.
Some more puts coming in.
A lot of calls coming in. XP, EV, Amazon, AMD, Dish, Tesla. A lot of call activity. Puts coming on MU. MU. You want to check the max pain. So 399. $403 target.
So is this showing us the price where they want to concentrate at, or what's the main benefit here?
People are buying more puts than the call. That's what it shows here, numbers. So
Got it.
yeah, that's what it shows. Okay. Here we go. This indicate me that my premium was not making money. That means they have agenda something down. Right? They got agenda, man. Can you believe it? Wow, I made from here to here 60 cents so far. 60 cents, folks. Can you believe it? That is almost, and I'm trading SPX. So it went $1 SPY down, and I only made a. Can you imagine, man? Yeah. Yes, that's that agenda.
The theta is so high too, it's at almost 100%.
No, theta is not gonna play right now. Market just opened up. It's just even a few minutes, right? So I have a whole day to go. So theta not gonna kill immediately like that. Point is the IV is super ridiculously low on SPX. So let me see your SPY. Yeah, same number, man. They brought the SPX IV down too, and SPY also same. QQQ is higher than the SPX, man. These people. QQQ is higher than the SPX, but QQQ is compressed, muted today probably. Look at that. QQQ is muted. SPY is not. Yeah, there's a support, folks. Okay, there's a bounce coming in here. Oh wow, look at that, demand broke now. Interesting. That's your demand. Oh, look at that. That's why that's the agenda they had. Ooh, do home run. Not yet. Nice. Okay, ticks are 660 now. First time I see the ticks negative turning big. Okay, nice. Okay, that's the ticks are still holding. Yesterday market gap up and go. Today market gap up and go. Right? Gap up and go, right? Can you believe it? Alrighty. So we don't have right now, folks. We need to wait because there's a gap here. To market has to fill the gap here. Market has to fill the gap, which is 401.50. And these are all pre-market data, which I don't like trust much. Remember that all the demand supply area, what you see here is just a teeny mini. So right here, look at this. This was the demand zone right here. We broke it. We did spend some time consolidated here, five minutes, but then we broke in one shot, right? So that indicates you that they want to pressure is down. But now how much you want to give a weightage to every demand zone is limited. So if you keep the MACD and EMA in your line, that's what's going to tell you. Look at the cloud. That gives you indication that what market is doing. You can see right here, picture perfect, right? And that is the reason premiums are not getting gain much what we supposed to gain from here to here. 404 to 4 like.
Yeah, Josh, the premiums are barely moving at all.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. You need a big move in order to make money. $1.30, man. Mark SPY moved $1.30, and okay, and now is okay. Mostly Now this is the cluster area right here. That's where the market is spending some time.
So last week they played the high premium game. Now this week they're playing the low IV game.
Yeah. All right. So Bank of America was bullish last 2 days. Bank of America is going down. Okay, Melissa, you had okay. You want to check? Want me to take a look at the shock? Let me see. What is it? YATZI. What is this? Sorry, I didn't see. Home run, Melissa. Nice. It's not agenda. You should watch Dixie. No, folks. I can show you Dixie. Dixie going up, stock market going up. Dixie going down, market going down. Okay, so if somebody telling me Dixie, no. I don't need to follow Dixie. I don't need to follow HYZ. I don't need to follow Apple. One based off of that. No, market doesn't just behave on Dixie because Dixie going down, market going up. No. Okay, so, but if you follow and you want to do it, yeah, it's up to you, not me. Look, a lot of people, 90% people follow future, right? S&P 500 future. Why would I need to even follow Dixie, right? People, you just go and follow future. Futures tell you what market looking, right? But that's bet. I don't want to follow on bet. Not even a Dixie, right? So that's fine. Everybody has their style to trade. My goal here is not to lose money. That's the number one. Not following this Dixie. Yeah, people are trading ice. Okay. You go to different platform, different people say, oh, you follow Dixie. That is the best things to follow, man. You know, anytime Dixie does this, market does this. Then somebody says, oh, you know what, Bitcoin. If you follow Bitcoin, that's what SPY does it. Oh, if you follow Apple, that's how the SPY does it. Oh, you follow future, this is what it does. Oh, you follow VIX, that's what you do. This is you're gonna go around, loop around things. People will tell you, man, why don't you just follow the real money right here? Just follow the real money. These are real candles. That's it. They follow that technicals and see what it does. Right. That's the best strategy than following other external stuff like that. So for me, external is a noise. I like to follow real. Yeah, I like to follow if market maker has any open orders. I like to follow that one, open orders. Oh, what's up, man? How are you, buddy? Okay, there's a wow, ATVI bearish flow. Meta. Calls coming in. All right, that's your rebound. Yes, look at that bounce. I think we're heading up here, 403. So let me go into the problem is, man, this is no money here. Delta. MACD trying to curl in up. Alright, Apple got a price of control area right there, so they want to maintain the QQQ. Let me see the sector rotation, anything happening today, where the money is moving. Oh, look at that, today money moving into real estate. Man, these people are agenda driven, huh? Real estate, they are, everybody social media talking about real estate gonna dump. So they are taking real estate up. Technology is up. Everything is up today. Pre-market went up. Remember that? That's why it's up. Consumer discretionary. Look at the hot is real estate. They're taking toll on energy. So most of the money moving out today, not yet much. We need to wait. Real estate is hot today. Technology and consumer discretionary. Yeah, and material. Airbnb. Yep, we're gonna hit the supply. That's right there. Add another short.
Amazon just broke up.
Yeah, hold on. This would be a rejection right here. Could be perfect entry for the short.
Bless you, Joe.
Thank you. Sorry, man. I did went 25 feet away, but you could hear, huh?
Yeah, the mic's picking up everything.
Man, this mic is super hard, man. It's picking up my every sound. Over here, rejection could be a good shot. Looking at the 4050 put. Meta looking bullish. Let me see. Meta looking bullish, but market going down, right? Tech
Forget
sector.
about Meta, look at Amazon. Amazon, way better.
Okay, hold on. Meta looking bullish, you said, right? Just a second. I need to see Meta on a breakout. Watch out, folks. Meta has a 207 resistance, folks. Okay, there's a resistance 208. 208. If Meta breaks 208 bullish, if Meta get a rejection, then could be in trouble. So watch out. And that's there is nothing up there. There's nothing up there. So Meta looking bullish intraday. Yeah, look at this bullishness. But market did ran up a lot, right, since morning, 203 to 208. So I would be very careful here going long side just in case, because we are also very close to the 208 mark is your previous high of the 2023, right?
Good job. I tested VWAP, sorry.
Yeah, so watch out. Just to give you a little early, it could break 208, 50 cents, something like that, and then they're gonna dump all the bull can be trapped also. Just to keep it in mind like that, because we are very close to the battle zone at the top particularly. Yeah, that's your trend reversal. Look at that. All the bears are sitting at the bottom. Price of control area.
638,000.
Nice. Price of control area right there. Look at Apple. Apple QQQ, look at that.
I feel like they're about to just settle on no man land zone for a little bit. Guess what, Josh?
Yeah.
Right back where we started today.
Yeah, price of control area is right there. Back to that, because all the bears are loading up the puts, so they have to take this one up. So they're gonna spend a little here to burn out these bulls, those who are excited. They create some drama here, another 5-10 minutes to burn out all the bears. That's the price of control area. Market trying to control. Okay, we have the resistance probably right here. This could be your critical area to watch. Now we are above the price of control area. Wow, can you imagine? Yep, and that's your supply up there.
I need to take supply and demand class so I can know if I need to go early with my thesis or wait to see if it flips or gets rejection. So I guess I'll have to wait till class.
Yeah, I'll make it, man, by next week, not this week. Yes. Yesterday, I just spent time with family.
Close the ball.
Oh, it was beautiful. Went to the park. Had a great, almost. I went all the way to walk to the park. Did a grocery walking. Did a grocery. It's almost 5 miles walk. 5-6 mile walk yesterday.
That's good.
Okay.
Double top rejection, man.
Yeah, I just 405. I paid 4045 put. Paid $4.50 premium. Shorted at the top. This cycle, this is bear, this is bullish. Shorted at the top, 450. We're gonna back to same place, price or control area. Here we go. Look at that. Doom, doom, doom. Wow, look at that. Still holding. Here we go. There's a demand zone, but that is a weak demand zone. Here we go. See that? This is what I will teach you on a demand and supply class. Today is a perfect day. What did I do today? I'll definitely keep that thing in mind in demand supply class. How I did today. But that's okay. We need to let the time go by. Middle of the cloud, look at the cloud layout also horizontal. So agenda driven market still so far. Okay, no direction, it's just the agenda still, but bigger cycle now. So in the morning when market started with the smaller cycles, now they started with a little bigger cycle. So that's good part. Bulls and bear both can be excited here now, at least. Oh, somebody told me to look at the Amazon. Forgot. Bruno told me look at Amazon. Okay. So Amazon, man, Amazon is like they use Amazon as a volume button to take the SPY up. That's why. Okay, so if you are on Amazon, watch out this support. Right now it's bullish, we pull it back right now market. That's your demand zone. Once we break that, we could go and test the VWAP. Still we are on the MACD is in a bull territory. You remember that bull territory only cross, so means temporary bearish. If you need a strong bearish, then we need to get into the bear territory to be bearish. Until then is bullish. Okay, we are battling here. Okay, so VWAP is your resistance, price of control area is your resistance. Tesla 1.7 million put coming in and 2.6 million call coming in Tesla. Netflix 1.7 million call coming in and 900,000 puts. Netflix is bullish. Order.
SPY testing POC already broke you up.
Ticks are 800 positive. Back to price of control area. Let's take a look at the Apple, see what Apple doing. Man, Apple got a diversion. But strong cloud here still holding. $207. Reverse head and shoulder. This is cup and handle. Cup and handle market forming. Bullish. Inverse head and shoulder also forming. This is inverse head and shoulder, folks, okay? Both. There are multiple things is forming, but just let you know right now. One, this is inverse head and shoulder like this. There's a bullish inverse head and shoulder, and then W. This would be your cup and handle like this. So let's see. That's what market trying to show us, that they want to do like that, right? Here, gotta be in the middle here. Still no direction. We are same place where we started in the morning. What's up, man? What's up? Okay.
Hey Josh.
What's up? How are you, man?
After that, was watching this crazy monkey move.
Crazy market, yeah. Please. Yeah, what's up, man? Last one alive. Go ahead.
Josh, what's your take right now on the market? VIX is kind of flipping.
Right now, market is price of control area. You and me don't have any power. Price of control area is they want to control, they want to see. So, but thesis I'm applying, if I apply thesis, but right now there is no direction to go fast. But if you want to look at it this way, look, we have 407 target.
I can't see it. Some screen was sealed up.
You can't see the screen? Okay.
No, it's the screen is full.
Oh, you can see. Okay, gotcha. My bad. Divergent coming in. My take is we just still nothing. Right now it's too early. We are at the same spot, so market is compressing in that zone. But most likely, a lot of bulls and bears are loading up, both direction betting on it, because some people are betting on 407, because obviously looking to go that side, and they have left the gap on the bottom too. So, but if you look at the order flow, is put coming in more People betting on it, more puts are coming in. So that's why market maker want to see where to make money tomorrow, Friday.
Hey Josh, what's going on, man?
What's up, man? What's up?
What do you think about this market, man?
What do I think of the market? Market is the same spot. They're gonna burn out people premium today, and then they will do later stage probably.
Hey, remember I told you a couple days ago before it closed that they're gonna run it up yesterday, and they're gonna reverse it today. Because they're gonna hit that. You got 2 million contracts expiring, expiring tomorrow, and I think the max pain is 297. So my guess is that they're going to try. But I don't know if they're going to be successful. But I know they're going to try to bring it to try at least try to bring it down to 397. Not today, maybe all the way not down today to 397. If they could, they would. But by tomorrow, by 10:30. It will be my guess is it will be 397. And if you look yesterday, if you look at yesterday, yesterday was just short cover and rally. Like if you look, the SPY went up. The SPY only went up 10 points during the whole day, like from opening to close. Like when you have something that just goes up and it kind of stays in a line like that, and it goes like that's a controlled. That's not like people consider that bullish yesterday, but that wasn't like really bullish because they just they raised it up and hold it to line. I think they were like sucking people in to get calls.
Yeah, that's the gap up and go, $5 gap up and go and hold it up on the top, and people think market is bullish, but it's a pre-market game. Same thing, most of the days pre-market games, but overall during the daytime market only moved like $1, $1.50, $1.70. That's nothing. It's like a big elephant in the room to move around in $1, $1.50. Obviously, market not going to be looking good because of choppy.
Yeah, so my guess is around probably after 9:30, 9:30 after probably like 10, you'll see the kill move. Like you'll start seeing the kill move and stuff. And I would also tell you when that happens too. Just pay attention, like VIX, like today, VIX is, I think VIX is still green, right?
VIX is, let me see. VIX is green.
Yeah, and you notice VIX never turned red today. I think in the opening, I think it was red. That's it, and it just stayed green the whole. And and VIX continues going green, and like if it starts trending like in an uptrend, like all the way till 10 o'clock, whatever, and you start seeing the market kind of still staying around the same area, they're getting ready to dump. And plus, usually when VIX is around 18, a lot of the algos are set to sell. Just like when the VIX is like 30, when it hits 30, they're set to buy. Regardless of what the market is doing.
Correct.
So you gotta watch out. But the only thing that I'm kind of concerned about that's real bullish is it's kind of holding up the Nasdaq is the dollar being at 101. That also sets the algos to buy too for technology stocks, like big cap technology stocks. So that's kind of holding it up. So if the dollar gives up anything, that might be an indicator that they're going to dump too. I don't know, but this is just my observation. I don't know if it happens or not.
Got it. Absolutely. This is the strong support area, folks, right here. Several times we spent some time. You only broke one time. So over here, bulls were excited. Now bears are excited, but we are in between here, ping ponging. We are still at the same spot where we open in the morning. Alright, so if you can see here, look at the battle zone right here. You see this? That's the battle zone. Market has to leave the station. We are still parked at the station. They are parked at the station, and I think they're gonna take it up. Let's see.
The rocket is about to fly.
Calls coming into.
Mhm.
Yeah. Cloud coming in, look at that. Squeeze coming in. We are above the cloud. MACD in a bull territory. Supply up there.
I'm in the 4060 call.
Apple bouncing. Something is cooking here.
Yes,
Wedge. Little triangle. That's the bullish triangle at the price of control area. And look at this. Look like the way they are compressing everything here.
squeezing tight. Come on, let's break.
Call coming in.
Big yes.
Still all the EMAs are bullish. The bead is the bullish too.
In the meantime, let's hit the like button.
Yeah. Yeah, folks. They want to shoot up. Right there. Boom, boom, boom.
Premiums are at a standstill. Come on.
We got a VWAP right here, VWAP test. And this is your demand zone here too. So a bunch of support here too. Now is about the time market to do some miracle look like, but up or down something. Still we are not battling in the same channel. It's been 1.5 hours since morning. Alan going to speak today. Okay, got it. Alan.
Oh my God, this is boring.
Boring, right? They know that, man. No. Earlier days, people used to wait for a month to make 20% profit, 10% profit. Right now, we want the 20% profit in 10 minutes. That's the new era, right? Market maker loves, machine loves that. Yeah, it's just burning games. Something is brewing constantly. Look at the ticks. No volume, no direction. They are trying to show you weakness here, but you never know. This is your... So exactly what they did here. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. There's your demand zone broke. 650. Something was brewing, right? That was the things brewing. That's a demand zone. Now it's gonna, that's the area to watch. See what's the agenda here. Ticks are negative. Apple is bouncing. Here we go, QQQ going down a little bit. QQQ still bullish overall, folks. Alright, so folks, market just broke the demand area right there. Okay, just still dangling on a thread. Dangling on a thread. Apple is bouncing. Apple, Google bouncing, QQQ bouncing, Tesla bouncing, Microsoft bouncing. Man, Bank of America, they're dumb today. Because yesterday they took the Bank of America up, that's why. Probably. Ticks are still holding. Market is below the cloud. MACD entering into bear territory. Still squeeze continuation. EMA not lined up all the emails. EMA not yet. Yes, now market trying to bounce. That's your demand zone. Still we right it there. Okay. MACD entering into bear territory. There is a wider gap building up. Sticks are still intact. So if you are a bullish, just watch this dangling here. Market is compressing, all the EMA is not lined up, that's why. We are in the middle of the cloud. VWAP is a resistance, market trying right now. Yep, creating a demand. Yes, rebounding, market rebounding, slowly wants to go higher. Okay, VWAP is right there, creating a demand. What's up, man?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. Remember that webpage I told you to go to the Max Payne, and then on the second chart, it shows you like all the live ODTEs on the SPYs.
Right here.
If you notice right now, the market's just playing off the ODTE. Like the highest put right now is at 403, and the highest call right now is at
404.
404. So the market's just playing around there right now. So if it goes below 403, it's gonna pop right back up. If it goes below 404, it's gonna pop down. Unless more volume comes in to push it up, and those change, because those could change throughout the day. All of a sudden, you're gonna have more calls at 405, whatever, if it moves. But if it doesn't move, it's gonna stay around that area if you don't have a lot of volume. But at one point, at around, I think around 10:30 or probably 11, at one point the market maker is not gonna care about the ODTEs, and he's gonna start he's gonna start positioning for tomorrow. So and then when he positions for tomorrow, he's gonna start positioning for tomorrow's contracts that expired, and where the max pain is 397. So you might have a big sell-off at the end. You might have a big sell-off at the end, and it might be the opportunity to make like 30 points at the last 30 minutes on the SPY, if they position for that. And by that time, on the SPX, and by that time, everything's super cheap right now, the SPX. So you could probably turn like 50 cents to a couple $1,000. Just letting you guys know. Just keep that in mind.
Yep, absolutely, man. That possibilities are there, definitely. That's why they are right now compressing, burning out bulls and bear both.
Yeah, but the thing is, that's what I was trying to tell you the other day. It's like sometimes when you look at the market and you wonder what is it doing. If you go to that page, you'll see it's just trading right between the highest put and highest call. Sometimes the highest put and highest call are not that close. So the range is a lot wider. But sometimes when it's tight like this, it stays in this just like yesterday was pretty tight too. When it stays this tight, it stays in that range tight until more volume comes in to push that call wall a little further out, or push the put wall further down. All right, guys.
All right.
But I have a question. It says 4,000 is the highest call, 4,000 is the highest put. 330, but
No. You got to look at the ODTEs. You got to look at the ones that don't. I don't look at the calls from yesterday. I don't look at the
Zero
that
DT
were
one.
sold yesterday and all that. Because if you look the total amount of options that were sold before the day open was 466,000, right? By the end of the day, like already you have SPYs that were sold today at 403. They're already sitting at 192,000, and then the 404 options that are sold today, the calls, they're already at 146,000 already. By the end of the day, they'll be 500,000. The highest calls that were sold on open interest, the highest put or call that was sold before the market opened today was 399 put, and it was only 26,000. So they don't dictate the market. Like what happens is the most, once those call options, the ODT call options are sold, but once they sell more than the open interest from the day before, then they dictate where the market goes. They trade within that range, because anytime volume comes, they let all of a sudden if Jay Powell comes and lowers interest rates, he just had emergency interest rate, that goes all throughout the window. So it's only when the volume's kind of low that they play out like this, and that's mostly like 80% of the time.
Right. QQQ going up. Market is like.
your Discord and the gentleman, whatever it is.
You barely breaking up, man. You're 50% like your sound.
Oh, what I'm saying, I didn't want to take over out of my question. Maybe I'm not getting to the DT. Maybe the gentleman was, and then that's a good one.
Yeah, he's talking about everything is zero DT. All about zero DT for today, not tomorrow. Market bullish.
Tesla breakout.
Yeah, right here, all these breaking out. Boom, boom, boom. Google bouncing. Tesla breakout right there, 197. Amazon, Apple. Okay, we are trying to get above the cloud. Yep, right there. Look at the constant squeeze built in. The bids are bullish bids coming in if you see this. But if you look at the order flow, it's more puts coming in. Over here, orders are all calls. Everything is call. Right here, look at that. Call. It's just a game, man. Burning games you're gonna do. So right now they were excited. Now bulls going to get excited a little bit here. Those who book the profit, they are the winner in ping pong game. The rest of the burning game. Right there, breaking out, heading to the resistance. Sloping resistance broke right here. That's why bullish market heading to here. Now market getting
We
weak.
got Apple. Apple broke out.
Apple looking weak. Market goes up, Apple sometime, most of the time. They're using other volume button and keeping the Apple in control. But yeah, look at the cloud here, tail on the cloud, be careful. Man, I was about to tell you folks, there's a tail on the bar candle too. Look at that, the bulls are getting exhausted here.
Wow.
Yes, bulls are getting exhausted, that's why.
Smoke there.
Exactly. Look at that, bulls are getting exhausted. I just showed you, you know, the agenda is different than showing you different right there. Man, come on. This is the target.
Yeah, I'm telling you, they're trading around the ODTE and the 403 put and the 404.
Is 0 DT. 0 means today, days to expiry, 0.
Yeah. They're just trading around that area. It's tight today, so that's why the thing is tight.
Yeah.
Usually it's a little wider. So there, and at a point they're gonna let the market do what it wants. But I still think they're gonna try to push this down at the end of the day. Regardless of the way it goes, I think at the end of the day it's gonna be a massive push down. Because there's no way they're gonna let 2 million options, like trillions of dollars worth of options expire in the money.
Excuse me.
Man, that candle washed me out. I had so much profit. I exited my other call that was closer to the strike. And then my other
Same
one,
here, true.
The candle right here. Yeah, man. Well, that's true, man. I'm 45% profit.
$100 more, and then I was exiting the other one. I've been holding the past like 30 minutes, and then boom, that candle came, and it was just crazy.
Yeah. So, but you got to watch these two cloud men too.
I figured a rejection was coming, but not like that.
Yeah. I'm almost 50% profit on my put, still holding.
Man, you know if you're smart, man, you'd I would tell somebody buy the 4,000 SPX put, man. It's about it because when they push it later on today, it's gonna go below that. It's gonna go below that number. They're only like 60 cents. You don't have to buy it. You think I'm joking? But
No. I know what you mean, man. If market dumps, man, those are the. That's why what I do is, wait until the market really it creates. There's a lot more opportunity. Market creates later stage if market really doesn't do in afternoon. But yeah, in the morning, buying like that is good. It's dirt cheap. If it goes, otherwise it's like you need a market to move like a big move, like constant move. Then your 2% delta can kick in. Otherwise, 2% delta will not let you go anywhere until $5 SPY moves. You need at least more than $5 SPY move to get into the game.
Yeah, the pain trade today is down because majority of people think it's been up for the last actually for the last since the last 2 weeks. If you look at the NASDAQ, they've been up. So a lot of people have profits they're just sitting on. And then you got PTE coming in tomorrow. You got so if it starts going down, man, this is gonna go they're just gonna drop everybody because they're sitting on profit they made so quick that they're gonna try to lock it in. So I'm telling you, pain trade's down today.
Yeah.
The only thing holding this damn thing up is is the SMH, the semiconductor. That's the only thing really holding it up. And
Holding it up is agenda behind agenda.
And then that goes with the dollar. That's correlates with the dollar. Anytime the
Yeah,
dollar
yeah,
goes
yeah.
down, that thing goes up.
Okay, right
Because
there.
like 60%, I think, of the profits are booked overseas.
Got it.
And another way to play this too is in the last hour, because something's gonna happen in the last hour. It's gonna move. You can play it both ways on the SPX, because by the last hour, how cheap they are at the money right now. By the last hour at the money, they're probably gonna be like $4, $4 or $3, like they were yesterday. So if you get some a little bit out the money, like about 10, 20 points out, I mean like 20, 30 points out, you can get them probably for like $1.50. And trust me, it'll move more than 20 points by the end of the day, regardless of which way you think it's gonna go.
Got it. So far, if you can take a look at the chart here, folks, what market doing is trying to create a channel between 403, 402.81 and 404.21. That's the channel right now market has created so far. Look like that's what they're ping-ponging in between here. So just plan accordingly, burn out the games going on so far on between that game. So if you depends on it, profitability does matter when you're trading 0DT, because holding hopes are the dangerous, particularly 0DT. 0DT means you need to pick the bottom, pick the top, and that could be entry exit, depends on bulls or bear, right? And then later stage, when market breaks the channel, then you can plan your other entry exit. But until then, right now what I see agenda is smaller cycles, just play around here. That's what they are doing at this point. So agenda looks to me right here, that between this and this, that's it. That's what you can see right here. Okay. Once we break the any floor, any resistance or floor, then is real. Until then, it just look like this small cycle going through. You can see right here, small cycles. Any dump also immediately bounce. Any pop also immediately dumps, but smaller cycles. Small cycles are. So bulls and bear get washed. So those who are bears here, remember the people who shorted in the morning right here at the bear in the bottom, right? So they are holding hopes. Now they took it up, right? Market took it up last 1 hour, and they were holding hopes, and that's what market did here now. Still doing it. They are not going here. They might go here probably another 30-40 minutes. By the time their 50% delta will be washed, 50% theta will be in the play. Right, that's the game. So that's why the channel is downward. So let me make another channel now. New channel market creating. This channel, downward channel, is creating little, right? And that's where market is ping-ponging in between here. Look at that. In this channel, how many cycles we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See that? But small cycles, like 6, 7 candles, sometimes 15 candles, but they're teeny mini move. So that's what market doing. But bigger channel is this one. In between this is a small channel. So plan your accordingly. 0DT is the 1DT, the expiring tomorrow. They cannot make money until market booms big, because they are just holding hopes. But 0DT, even who are holding, they need to be very quickly booking profit whenever you see money.
But I think it's gonna go up at least to at least another 10 points maybe up, and then go over 403, 404 something. Maybe we hit 405, and then they'll bring it back down to around the 403 again. But I think it'll go up before it goes down, though.
Well, we have a strong supply at 404.20, so 405 is dangerous. But so far, market tried thrice, and we got rejection. So there's a big order sitting at the top to sell. So that's why, yeah, that's the top, to just keep that thing in mind. Same thing, we have the demand area also around right now. Temporary cycles are around 403.50. 403.50 we have demand, so we got to wait for that. Both the area market spending tons of time. If you look at the most of the tug of war is between right there where the volumes are, between right there. So yeah, they just coming back to the same spot. $403.80.
All right, man. Hey, thanks for giving me let me speak, but I gotta go. But I'll be back by the last 30 minutes, and we'll see if my prediction was right that it starts selling off viciously at the end of the day. All right.
Thank you, man. All right, folks, let's click the like button, folks. How many likes we got? Let me see. Man, 83 likes, folks. Can you believe it? Let's at least get it 200. Let's get it done. We have almost 400 people here. Let's get it done, folks. Still, we are above the demand zone and between the supply zone. That's what market doing. There's a tons of big things are happening here. So let's do it, folks. Let's get it done. The likes done. Since we are here right now, still compressing in the channel. Look at that squeeze, continuation squeeze coming in. Clouds are horizontals. Bulls and bear, both are battling here. Thank you, Charlotte. Appreciate your like. Appreciate everybody. Appreciate continue. Let's get it done, man. Can we do it? We have like 366 people. If we really, at least I'm sure 200 people can do it. Google weak. Sure. Let me look. Google weak. Yeah, Google looking little weak. Apple looking little weak. The tech sector is, wow, what happened to Microsoft dumping, but SPY is not. That's the demand zone right here. Here we go. Market is just playing in this channel, folks. Just keep this thing channel in mind. Slowly.
Josh, I want to add something. It's
Yeah,
not the bulls and the bears fighting. It's just the market makers are having fun. That's it.
Yeah, exactly. Particularly those option expiring tomorrow or week away, those you would have a difficult time to make money in this kind of environment. Zero DT people are suffering. Those people will difficult time to make money. That's the burning games. Burning games. Lately I noticed market makers, they loves end game. End game. Remember that end game, they loves it. Because most of the people get excited in the morning, right? And then they buy the puts and calls and whatnot. And then market maker, see, you could have an extra edge when you trade late. Why? Because first of all, your premiums are 1/3 premium price you paying, right? And second thing is, you got your time in your hand, a lot more in your hand to play. You can buy multiple contract also later when you have 1/3 price you pay, right? But in the morning, those who play, they got to be very quickly booking the profit. Now MACD entering into bear territory, crossing line in the south, squeeze is built in below the cloud, all the EML lined up. Interesting. Folks, 141 likes. I think still people are thinking, let's get it done, folks. Let's get it done, some likes more, 200 likes. Okay. This is getting really boring. Yeah, absolutely, man. 21st century boring. Yes, we need a moment. Whether make money or lose money, but just do something, right? Bulls and bears. Yeah, that's the style, man. They are testing your patience. And that's the reason they are doing it the late, right? That's the reason they are doing it at the late time. Particularly last 3 days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and now today, fourth day, man, they're playing the same style. Caught which month? Caught which month? Normally, caught which month? They buy. They buy. They book the profit. Sometimes they sell. They buy back. No, not the buy. They sell. If they shorted, then they buy back. JPM color expiry tomorrow analysis. Yeah. David says, I almost quit yesterday making too many trades. Sure, let's say boil. You want to check the boil? Sure. Wow, boil is dumping. Can you believe it, boil? I mean, they took it down to $3. Look at this cloud. Wow. Still going down. Boil. My chart cannot even manage that pricing. Wow. Look at that. Anyway, boil is horrible, folks. They're taking it down. Interesting, man. Boil. Okay. Okay, now MACD cross signaling down, volume coming in, but I don't see a big volume here. Cloud, look at that. Premium game, burning game. Premium burning game. Okay, now MACD pointing south. Squeeze coming. Yep, now game look like wants to go. Let's go. Let's finish the line. Here we go, test the price target right there. My MACD bulking bearish. Yep, absolutely printing. Okay. This is the target. If they can go, that's a channel. Squeeze continuation. Ticks are filling up the gas. So this is the channel right here. You see this channel? That's what market is playing. Here we go. today is the day. Let's cut it down. Here we go. Target is right there. That's your channel. Bouncing. That's your channel. Market is supported the channel. There is squeeze firing up. Puts coming in. Yeah, that's your bounce. See, this is the range they created. Now they're gonna bounce again and go and test this resistance right here. You follow? That will be the agenda here probably now. This once this cycle get over, most likely that is the cycle which is market creating. I'll be right back. Let me grab banana. Okay, here we go. Now sit down. Oh boy, boy, boy. Okay, squeeze is done. Look like. Market is finding the support at 403, folks. Okay, but this is the demand area right there, so not going anywhere actually. Look, we are overextended downside, so there is a bounce should be. Sorry, I was muted. I was eating orange. Lulu, somebody wanted to short Lulu, right? Lulu was okay. Look at that. Lulu has been going down last few days. Right there. This is Lulu. Tech bear, no, I don't see right now, but market maker need to book the profit. Oh, Angela, you said you shorted Lulu. Gotcha. Lulu has a history going sharp up, then sharp down. Yes, that is a good idea. Remember what I said?
SPY, Josh to the moon. Josh SPY to the moon.
Yes, right there. SPY is going. SPY has a channel. You could follow. So oversold. Now got to buy back. So all the bears are excited now, burning the premium. That's your supply zone here, VWAP. That's your supply zone, VWAP. Oh, sorry, folks. I was muted, and man, I've been talking. Sorry, I was muted. When I was eating orange, so I mute myself and then keep talking. Forget that I already finished my orange 10 minutes back. Apologize. Man, mind get carried away. This is support, folks. Okay, there is a bounce. Expect a bounce. Here we go, bouncing. Man, my order could not executed. Takes a positive. Yeah. Oh boy, now I got to participate in this dirty game. $7. Channel break downward, now gonna bounce. So lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's what market is doing currently, folks. But now we found the support. Remember this is the LOD. Now market could create a lot of drama burnout game. Yes, this is perfect time was exit. Particularly out of the money puts, they have a lot of theta decay. Remember that. That's why, profit bookings are so important. What's up, man?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Did you catch that one?
Yeah, we have been holding, still holding.
Yeah, like I'm telling you, it's right back to that 403. If you look, pull up a SPY chart, see what happens every time it hits around 404, or if it goes above it or hits right there, it comes right back down. Anytime it goes or below 403, it comes right back down. I'm telling you, the zero DTEs are dictating it right now. But the trend, but the thing you got to watch out for, the reason why this is going to sell off big time at the end is, remember I told you, as the market is doing this stuff and staying in this area, the VIX slowly, the trend from the beginning to right now been going up and up and up and up, and what they're doing is loading up on puts. As the market's going in, they're playing around, but they're loading up on these puts, and you see the dollar giving up too. So you see they're setting it up, man, and the overall trend's kind of coming down, but they're going to keep it around this area. It's good to play like once you know they're playing around the zero DCE, but it's good to but know when all of a sudden if it's below 403 and it starts turning around, then but then you know they're gonna try to take it above there. But the range is too tight that I like you got to be quick when you're playing it. But the setup, man, this setup looks like it's about to be pulled at the end. It's gonna be some good money to make, man.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Got it.
Yeah, look at the VIX. It just keeps going up. It's just like the same thing. Like when the market's kind of going down, and all of a sudden the VIX starts like going, like the VIX, like the trend, but not all of a sudden the trend starts going, like the VIX starts going red, and it starts slowly, and at the end of the day the market's up, and you're like, what the heck happened? And then you notice, and then you pull up the VIX, and the VIX would have told you the whole day. The trend of the VIX was telling you it was going up. But the thing is, you were just looking at it slowly at a time, but you weren't noticing the overall trend of the day. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You were just looking at the up and down of the market, and that's the same thing as doing now.
Correct. Okay. So market, if you can see, folks, right here, the sloping resistance right there, that's the second retest and rejection. And then since then, market went down. When market went down, we created another sloping resistance. So means we are now creating a new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, because we got that's your, this was the demand turn flipped to supply. So that's why we got a lower low. So hope people who took the classes, they understand. I'm creating a class for the demand supply value, understand how thing market moving. But look at that, see what market doing. So this is more bearishness. Okay.
Man, this guy. Did you know that there's a Fed speaker coming up, like around?
Who's Bullard?
Minutes?
Depends which it is, because there are some bullish and there are some bulls and bear. One of them, Neil Kaskari or Bullard, depend who's coming.
Yeah, Barkins, and then you got Yellen speaking too.
Yeah, Yellen.
They might try to goose it up, man.
Yeah. Depends on where at the time where the market is. When she starts speaking, we need to wait, see where the market is. Look at that. See what just said it. What did I just say, folks? Right here, you see that. So this is whenever market creates another sloping resistance, that's the strength of the weakness of the trend. The strength of the trend is continuation. I just said that, and look at that market what is doing, man. Look at that. I just need another 60 cents to make a home run, folks. On my one of the put.
Yeah, when I see a trend like that, like
woohoo! 100% profit.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
So you caught that one, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Man, gotta caught it, man. Yeah. Okay. Didn't book the profit yet. Now I like what I saw, but Apple as the resistance, man. This is time to. This is demand zone 2. Again, we are battling here. Yeah, market is battling here. Weak below the body. That is interesting. So this could be diversion. Okay, one more leg down probably if you could do. I'll take the money. Yeah, man, this is divergent market trying to create here. Look at that, this in this point. So there is a bounce. Let's see how much the bounce. Man, look at the cloud is strong too. Well, I just needed a.
Hey, have you seen the 5-minute chart?
Have you seen 5 minutes? You want me to change the 5 minutes?
If you look at the 5 minutes, you could tell you this is like a machine-driven sell-off, like it's algo controlled sell-off. It's so like the way it's selling off is so defined, the inclination that it's like they're just saying the algos to sell it off something.
Got it. Yeah, the 5 minutes, man, is too slow for me. But yeah, I just looked it up. It's all right. It's not bad. It's creating the wedge. That's your demand zone, folks. Okay, demand both area right here. This is the, so there is some sort of hodgepodge will create, market will create some sort of enchilada out here, and then we see a strong cloud here. So there's a little battle around, I would say give about another 15 minutes. You're gonna see around 15-minute battle here, and then market will do some drama here, and then you'll see kaboom or boom, mostly kaboom. Let's see. This is your support, folks. Okay, there's a lot of bearishness, time to take the profit here. That's what I tell you. Any one dump. Because then afternoon they're gonna play some games, burning out the game premium, because premium gonna go more dirt cheap. Theta is super high. Remember, Theta play big role. 100% Theta DK out of the money calls on SPX. Dangerous, dangerous. So, yep, that's the game. Still my order did not go through, the selling order price I want. Even this one, this week could not take my order. Come on, come on. MACD is bullish. Bull cycle going on. Let's see how far. That's your
Don't be fooled, man. They're gonna try to bring it back up one more time before they dump it. Just like when it's a bullish day, and they bring it down right before they pump it back up. It's the same thing. They're gonna bring. You'll be shocked. They're gonna bring it right back up, and then especially when the Fed people speak, and then it's gonna trap more people in, and then dump it. It's gonna do the opposite like they did yesterday.
Yep. I bought my put here, right here, in the main market open up, right? And we are here right now. Can you imagine? The profitability is only 40 cents.
That's ridiculous.
It's dangerous, man. This SPX is, what a game, man. Imagine if trend goes against you, you could lose bigger money.
Hey, you gotta remember too that the VIX the VIX keeps going up, and the VIX keeps going up. Those SPXs are gonna be worth more money they're all throughout the range. They're gonna be worth more money because the implied volatility is gonna go up. So if it does dump all of a sudden, like it happened to me a couple times where I had like a call and a put, and on the VIX, and then all of a sudden, like it was like a CPI day or whatever, it's one of those days, and then all of a sudden the market just dumps, and both of my things were actually higher than what I bought them at. like both of my calls and puts because the implied volatility went up so much that those ones like all of a sudden if this drops all of a sudden to 4,000, those at the money like right now, like at the money SPXs will be at least $1 $2 more even an hour from now. And that goes, and the ones out the money will also be more. So you got to keep that in mind when you're buying it and anticipating like a big move down, that they're going to be worth more.
Yeah. Okay, that's W pattern creating, folks, right there. That's a supply right there. All the bears are sitting at the bottom. That was a divergent market created. That's boom, boom, boom. You see that? Yes. Absolutely. Now market, that should, remember, any time market has low of the day testing, they always do that. They look like they're gonna break, like that's what they do, and then they reverse like this. So I hope people understand the part. That's a supply zone right here.
It looks like I want to go back and test that 404 on the SPY.
404.
Yeah, it's whatever it's equivalent to on the SPX, but I'm just going by on the SPY right now. It looks like it's going to test a 404, and then maybe go over it a little bit, and then it'll probably dump.
Possible. Right now is the bullish. We have the cycle right here started. This is a bullish cycle started just now. Okay, folks.
So how much will that be on the SPX? So you're looking at from maybe 10 points up. It's probably going to test. I wouldn't be surprised if it tests the 4055.
We got a resistance, strong resistance, folks. Okay, we have supply up there. We got a strong cloud up there. We have a bunch of resistance. There is just all the EMA not lined up also. So it's it's like before they do anything, it's just the resistance. We need to clear a couple of resistance. Right now, the bounce what you see is just a temporary bounce. Now market trying to break the sloping resistance. Remember, folks, okay, that's important. That's the reason temporary bounce, but it can, right now we have the cloud here. We're got to watch strong cloud. So what does it mean? That means temporary bounce. We'll see what market creates. Most likely we could go and test back again. This guy is a friend of yours? No, Josh talks too much and I feel disrespectful. Go your channel, not just. Yeah, just limit your speaking, man. That's what people are telling me. But yeah, I understand part. Just Whenever you want to speak, just speak couple of minutes. I would appreciate it.
All right, man. Sorry about that.
No
I was just trying to help out.
No, thank you. But just everybody's nature is different. Like, I have one kid who is quiet, and my other kid is on and on and on. So same thing. Everybody's DNA different. Like sometimes I don't speak, sometimes I speak also. So, but yeah, I understand everybody. I have somebody told me, Josh, can you stop typing on your things while you're talking, while you're live? I said, if I cannot type, how can I? Right? So people request their things, and it is it's part of it. I understand. That's a strong